Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use TurboTax Canada. First, open your web browser or the TurboTax Canada app. Now, go to the official TurboTax Canada website or open the app. Then, click on Start for free or sign in if you already have an account. If you are new, create a new account by entering your email and setting a password. After signing in, click on Start a new tax return. Now, answer a few simple questions about your situation, like your age, work, and income. Then, choose the right version of TurboTax based on your needs. Next, start entering your personal information like your name, address, and social insurance number. After that, enter your income details like your T4 slips and other tax documents. Now, add your deductions and credits like tuition fees or medical expenses if you have any. TurboTax will guide you step by step and show you what to fill in. Once you are done, review everything carefully. Now, click on Review to check for any mistakes. Then, click on File to submit your tax return to the CRA. You can also choose to print a copy for your records. That's it, you'll have successfully used TurboTax Canada to file your taxes. Thanks for watching, hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.